Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install VirtualBox on Oracle Linux 8.5. Oracle is an open source and free to use virtualization tool that is known as VirtualBox. It is recognized as one of the best cross-platform applications for developing virtual machines within an operating system and running them simultaneously. It is available in all major operating systems like macOS, Windows, and Linux. First, I'm going to check the Oracle Linux version. Use the following command. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Now I'm going to update the system's metadata cache. Use the following command. Now I'm going to update the system's packages. Use the following command. Press Y. Once the system is up to date, run the following command to add the repository. Use the following command. Now the VirtualBox repo has been added. Now I am going to install the VirtualBox. Use the following command. Using wget command, now I am going to download the extension pack of VirtualBox. Use the following command. Now build the kernel modules. Use the following command to install. Press Y. Now the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack has been successfully installed. To run the VirtualBox application, use the following command. VirtualBox. Simply type the command. It will start the application. This is the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Here you can import, export, create a new virtual machine. We have currently installed version 7.0.2. Now I am going to close the application. To open the application manually, click Activities, Show Application. As you can see, here the Oracle VM VirtualBox application icon. With this, how to install VirtualBox on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.